Asher.
Oh, is that soup? Is it good soup? Can you have oatmeal?
Yeah.
Did you ever have oatmeal?
Yeah.
Did you?
Asher, what are you making over there?
Kiwi.
What?
Noodles.
You're making noodles?
Yes.
Oh, are you gonna make a
Green
cake?
beans? Can we have green beans? Did you ever have green beans?
Yeah.
Yes.
Noodles.
Noodles. And you make noodles? I can't believe you're only 2.
Oh.
Thank you.
That's for Papa? That's very nice, Asher.
Can you take that off?
Yeah.
Let's see if you can. Oh, good job. Can you put that on?
Yeah.
Can you put it on right? Now. See, now it's on right.
That's